The excellent thing about the animations is their flexibility at heart. So, we've been able to utilize it across our social media content, alongside our website. We're using it as part of our proposals. It's just knowing that we've got them in our back pocket as part of our overall marketing mix, and the value that that brings from us from a marketing and a business point of view. Process with Shot Blast was just brilliant. We had a brilliant kick-off strategy meeting with you guys. It was really collaborative to get the project up and running. Because of the niche nature of our products, we wanted to make sure that you fully understood what our products are and what they do and the opportunities that they offer to our customers. What was great about working with Shot Blast especially was, you got to grips with who we were as a business really quickly through the exploratory meetings. You were also able to translate as well our visual identity quite easily into the videos, and I think that's what's a really good positive thing as well to come out of the project, is how well they align with our website and our social comms as well. You guys were brilliant at what you did. We were so pleased with the outcome of the 4 videos. You continued to perform well with us through the optimization that Shot Blast Media did, through the descriptions and all of the uploading. You guys made sure that there was longevity in gaining more views on the videos.